Ever found yourself in a situation where you needed to make a quick payment, but you were short on cash or your card wasn't working? We've all been there, right? That awkward fumble for change, the frustrated sigh when the POS machine declines your card, the frantic search for an ATM. It's a universal pain point. But what if there was a smoother, easier way to handle these everyday transactions? A way that puts you in control and takes the stress out of paying? Well, today we're diving into a solution that might just change the way you think about payments: favepay. So, what exactly is a favepay account? Simply put, it's a digital wallet that lets you make payments quickly and securely using your smartphone. Think of it as a virtual version of your physical wallet, but with added perks and convenience. Instead of carrying around cash or relying on your cards, you can link your preferred payment methods, be it your debit card, credit card, or even your bank account, directly to your favepay account. This allows you to make seamless transactions at participating merchants with just a few taps on your phone. Now, you might be thinking, another digital wallet? What makes favepay different? That's a great question. And the answer lies in its unique features and benefits. First off, favepay is incredibly user-friendly. The interface is intuitive and easy to navigate, so you don't need to be a tech whiz to figure it out. Setting up your account is a breeze, and making payments is just as simple. Secondly, favepay often comes with exclusive deals and promotions. This means you can enjoy discounts, cashback offers, and other rewards when you use favepay at participating stores and restaurants. Who doesn't love saving money? But the advantages don't stop there. Favepay also prioritizes security. Your financial information is encrypted and protected, so you can rest assured that your transactions are safe and secure. This is a crucial aspect of any digital payment platform, and favepay takes it very seriously. Plus, favepay offers a transaction history feature, allowing you to easily track your spending and manage your finances. No more scrambling for receipts or trying to remember how much you spent on what. Everything is neatly organized and accessible in one place. Another key benefit of favepay is its growing network of merchants. More and more businesses are adopting favepay as a payment option, making it increasingly convenient to use in your everyday life. From your favorite coffee shop to your local grocery store, you're likely to find places that accept favepay. And as the network expands, the convenience factor only increases. So, let's recap. A favepay account is a digital wallet that simplifies payments, offers exclusive rewards, prioritizes security, and helps you manage your finances. It's a convenient, secure, and rewarding way to pay for goods and services. It eliminates the hassle of carrying cash, reduces the risk of losing your cards, and often comes with perks that make it a smart choice for savvy shoppers. If you're looking for a better way to manage your payments, favepay is definitely worth considering. With said, thanks for watching, and until next time.